Hello again, fourth graders, and welcome to our Writer's Workshop. This is Unit 3, Session 17, Bringing History to Life. And today we're going to be doing a self-assessment and some goal setting. When swimmers compete in races, they sometimes swim so fast that they beat the record for that particular event. Swimmers don't stop trying to get better when they beat a record. Instead, they look at what even more advanced swimmers are doing and set a new goal for themselves. They might want to beat the country's record or even the world record. When writers are getting ready to take on new, even more challenging work, they reflect on the work that they've done, taking stock and setting new goals. Be sure to lay out the following materials today: the writing work that you've been doing, a list of goals that you started in your notebook, and a copy of the 4th and 5th grade checklist for writing. At the end of the bend, after all the work you do, your work should be far better than when you last assessed your writing. And today marks the end of Bend 2. Look between the two checklists. For each item, decide whether you are closer to the goal for 4th grade work or whether you're starting to do some of the work set for 5th grade. Be sure to point out particular places in your writing that show that you met a certain goal. What's important now is that you are doing most of the work expected of 4th grade writers. Studying 5th grade expectations are still important to push yourself even further. Jot down some of your new goals into your personal goal sheet and keep these goals in mind as you work today. As you work, continue to find areas where you are doing great work and areas where you need to fix. Revise and edit your writing today to help you get closer to your goal or even meet or exceed your goal. Look over your on-demand writing from the beginning of the unit and reflect on your writing. Today is a reflection day, a day to improve any areas that you might need to improve. Star 3 places in your work that you are especially proud of, places you think made a real difference in how your readers will read your piece. And make sure you share your pieces if you are at home with someone from your family. Be sure to ask that person to look over your writing, and you can share out loud your writing otherwise with them. You've all been working hard to do an amazing job with your writing and using strategies you've learned in class to perfect your writing, like using quotations and text features, some of our special lessons we've had along the way. Many writers reach a sense of doneness. This can actually mean that they're actually ready to begin. Many writers say, "When I'm done, I've only just begun." That doesn't mean writers plan to start over from the exact same place they did before. No, it means beginning a whole new level, opening up their writing to new risks, to brand new questions and ideas. Our new bend begins tomorrow. You will have the opportunity to make your writing truly spectacular and take the kinds of risks, ask the kinds of questions, and come up with the kinds of theories that make for truly high quality writing. So tonight, we want you to continue the celebration of your writing as we conclude Bend 2 with someone at home. While at home, give your writing, like we said, to someone to read. Maybe mom or dad, a grandma, your brother or sister, your babysitter, anyone. Since the purpose of informational writing is to teach, after they read your writing, ask them to share with you at least 3 things they learned about your topic. We have a number of things then for you set aside to do today. The most important one is to compare your writing and look over your writing using your grades 4 and 5 checklist. Then, to take your writing to another level, make sure you compare your goals and look over your goals, any goals that you have set for your writing. And finally, to celebrate, we want you to make sure that you edit any situations that might need fixing, trying to focus on things that need improvement, and be able to share with, like you said, someone from home, someone that can either listen to or read your writing, or that you can share with them. So, lots on your plate here today. We wish you well and get started.